Hi friends, welcome back to Stay Fresh with Peanut. Today we're going to learn how to make single clam wax melts. You'll want to remove the lid, then place the pre-scented melt and pour tub in the microwave. You'll want to heat it up in 1 minute increments, stirring in between. This is what my wax looks like after 1 minute. After the second minute, it's almost completely melted. But I'm going to heat it up for 1 more minute. Make sure to stir it up in between each minute. After 3 minutes, I'm going to remove it from our microwave and give it one last stir. While it's still hot, you want to add in your candle dye chips and keep stirring until the candle dye chips have completely dissolved. Now this next part, you can pour the wax into the mold straight from the bowl, or you can use your pipette, whichever you prefer. I like to pour it straight into the bowl, but of course this takes practice to keep it from overspilling on the side. So just take your time, pour one at a time, and then allow it to completely cool down before you demold. After you allow your hearts to completely cool down, you'll want to flip over your silicone mold and then gently demold each heart out of its cavity. Now this next part is very important. In order for the clamshell to close with the heart, only fill the clamshell halfway with the wax. If you fill it more than halfway accidentally, use the pipette to take some of the wax out. But very important, just fill it halfway. So I allowed my clamshells to cool down for about 30 minutes. Then I came back, and as you can see, I'm turning them around because I want the hanging hole up at top before I place in my hearts. So make sure you turn the hanging hole at the top. You turn the clamshell around to where the hanging hole is at top. That's very important. There's been times I've accidentally forgot and then it's upside down. So here I'm just putting in my hearts, and as you can see, since I only filled it halfway, they are able to close. Now what you'll want to do is take the remaining hot wax by using your pipette. Make sure the wax is not too hot. If it's too hot for you to touch, then it's too hot for the pipette, and the pipette will melt. That's very important. While it's still warm, I'm placing some of the glitter that came in the kit. They're conversation hearts with some glitter, and I'm sprinkling it around the heart and the clamshell. And again, I do this while it is still cooling down. So you want to do this before it's completely cooled down so it will melt in the wax. And then just for that extra touch, I'm adding some glitter. So take some of your favorite glitter and you can sprinkle some, which is totally optional. So after I allowed my clamshells to cool down, I came back and I closed my lids. Now your kit, if you purchased this beginner kit, it also came with a charcuterie box. So with this charcuterie box, you can add some red or whatever color you'd like, some shreds in it just to fill in that space. And then I'm putting in my single clam wax melts. It also comes with a clear lid and some ribbon. Now you can take the ribbon, tie it in a bow, and it also came with a Valentine envelope. You can add it there in the middle, and there you go. Here are your single clamshell Valentine wax melts for beginners. You did it, congratulations. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial, and I hope it was easy enough for you to follow along. If you have any questions, please list it down in the description box below. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe so you'll always be notified for our next tutorials.